Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a side entry manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. You can see the door just pulls right open. I grab the ramp, I pull it, I walk straight back, take it to the ground, very easy to do. 30-inch wide ramp, 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, 58 inches of headroom inside the van. Back seats look good. Floor looks good. You'll notice it does not come with a front passenger seat. If you want us to try and locate one of those for you, we can. When we go to fire this up, you can see that light blinks there. Sometimes it'll do this. It'll cycle through the system. Takes about 30 seconds before the heat or air will work. If you want us to replace that module, we can in there, but it's not that big a deal. But I hope you can see I'm just trying to tell you what I know about the van. But I wanted to show you that while that light was blinking. Let me just demonstrate for you. I'll turn it on here while it's running, while that's cycling through there. Get back to the missing passenger seat. If you want us to get one of those for you, we can generally get one, put it in there. Probably be about $600 or $700. So let us know if you want us to do that. You got your tie down tracks there. And when you got everybody secure, come back out. And we do give a free set of pull tight tie downs away with each van. Come back out, put the ramp up, slide the door shut, and you're ready to roll. Quick walk around to the van, tinted windows in the rear. This is the Caravan conversion. Got the alloy wheels, put 4 brand new tires on it, all 4 brand new matching tires. The exterior is pretty clean. Van's got a few miles on it, but from Arizona. It's been kept up clean. We bought a whole fleet of these. This is our last remaining one we have on the lot that we're putting on the lot. Overall, pretty clean van. It's not all beat up. Certainly not perfect, but it looks pretty nice. The paint looks nice. Still shines. These rear shocks, what they do is they leak slightly when the van's off. When you turn it back on, they air up. No issues. But again, just trying to show you what I know about the van. You can see that cycle is done. It's no longer blinking down here. I can use the heat and air as normal. So not a major issue on a vehicle with 150,000 miles on it. But again, just trying to show you what I know about the van. We always show the VIN number, so you know I have this van in my possession. We're not pulling some internet scam trying to get you to send us money. It's very common, so make sure you get a video of this VIN number. Speaking of that VIN number, we've got a Carfax report. We do a free Carfax with every vehicle. You can see Carfax, the estimated retail value of this van is $11,380. That does not include the $20,000 conversion that was put in this van. So I think if you compare what we're selling this van for with the conversion, with a retail price, we're definitely selling this at a very fair price. Shows 2 owners. There's been an accident reported, last owned in Arizona. As we scroll down here, you can see all this is in green, meaning no total loss. There's been no structural damage, so no frame damage, no airbag deployment. Odometer checks out good. Those showed the accident in March of 2018, so over 3 years ago. As we scroll down, all it tells us is accident reported. That's all it says on. So I can't tell exactly what happened, but I do know there's no structural damage, no airbag deployment. So it's strictly just probably light body damage is all it was. Not a major accident. So we go the extra mile, we show you the Carfax so you know exactly what you're getting. Alright, hop back in the van. You can see we got 2 keys here, 2 fobs. Go to fire the van up. Fires right up. Current mile is 152,089 miles. No check engine lights on, no dummy lights, no airbag lights, none of that. We've tested all the power mirrors, power locks, power windows, heat, air, cruise. Everything on this van seems to work just fine. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any accidents. No signs of any bent metal or anything like that, no signs of any abnormal rust. This is exactly what we're looking for. As I crawl underneath the van, very clean. We've done a lot of front end work on this van as well, suspension work, we've got all the receipts for it. But you know, it's not leaking. I can see no leaks. I can't see any bent metal. No rust from a flood or anything like that. So I'll show you the emission sticker there as well. Let's get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on a test drive, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift, and you know that whether you come in and drive this van home or you have us help you arrange affordable shipping, we can do that anywhere in the lower 48 states. But we've made sure this van is roadworthy, tops up to about 67 miles an hour, no problem. Steering wheel is nice and straight when I'm going straight. I'm going around a turn right now, but you can see nice and straight, no unusual vibration or anything like that. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And listen, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind, on eBay we have over 750 transactions. All of those left us positive feedback. That's over 750 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. Check out our Google reviews. Last I saw, we are 4.7 out of 5 stars. We've got a really good reputation. There's a reason for that. We show you the Carfax. We do these detailed videos. We have these fully inspected by mechanics. Nobody in the country, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting, like Affordable Mobility Solutions. With all that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend a very affordable extended warranty with all used vehicles. They start at just $150. Talk to me about that. We'll let you know how we can help. But yes, folks, protect your investment. You got to protect your investment. And I know there's a lot of dealers out there selling these. Like I said, keep in mind, they have a lot of these guys have hidden fees. They'll have $500, $1,000, $15, and $1,500 in hidden fees. So that price that you saw online looked real nice. You add in all their fees, it's not so nice anymore. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So exactly what we want. Back to the hidden fees, what I was talking about. You know, if someone's not going to tell you the real price, if they're going to put one price online, then charge you a document fee, a tag fee, an administrative fee, a processing fee, all these fees just to try and get more money out of you, you know, they're not being honest with you. They're not telling you the price up front. They're adding all these fees on the back end. My question to you is, if someone started the initial conversation, the initial negotiation with not being honest, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding mechanical issues? Are they hiding a flood? Are they hiding title issues? You know, I don't know. But I know with me, if someone that from the very start, they're not being honest about what they're representing, I know I won't do business with them. If you want to do business with them and you want to spend your hard-earned money, that's up to you. But you can count me out on that one. If you'd like to see our entire inventory, check us out, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Detailed videos and Carfaxes with every vehicle online. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone. We can send an application to your email, or we can take one over the phone if that's easier for you. And if you'd ever like to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. That's my cell phone number. You now have the owner's cell phone number. Hey, I want you to call Freedom Motors. I want you to call Mobility Works. I want you to call one of those big Braun and VMI dealers, and I want you to say, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Because Jeremiah at Affordable Mobility is, and if I need something, I don't have to call and get transferred 5 different times, get in somebody's voicemail, and I never get a call back. I can reach out directly to the owner. So yeah, doing business with a small business means a big difference than doing business with one of those big companies. So we appreciate you checking out our Caravan. If you have any questions or would like to make an appointment, please give us a call. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.